Hi everyone, the following is a video tutorial and introduction for activity 3 in VEXCode VR called Find Your Age. For this activity, I have currently 4 levels that are listed out here. For level 1, you're going to program the VR robot to drive to your age as of today. When you get to that location on the number grid map, I'd like for you to mark that number with any color pen. So you're going to come up with some kind of way of marking the number. You then want to make sure you drive away from that number so we can clearly see it marked. If you stay on top of it, you won't be able to see it. But just make sure that you have a clear mark there on your age as of today. Then for level 2, we're going to repeat that process so you can copy what you get for level 1, drive to your age of today, then drive your VR robot to your age in the year 2035. So figure out how old will you be in the year 2035 and then navigate to that location. And again, mark that number on the grid map with any color pen, and then just make sure you drive away from the number so you can clearly see that mark. For level 3, we're going to program the VR robot to do something slightly different, and we're going to mark your actual birthday in different colors. So the first thing I'd like for you to do, just noticing misspelled word here, sorry about that. First thing I need you to do is to select the red pen. So using the red pen, drive on over to the month that you were born. So for me, I was born in the month of August. So I went and drove out here to the number 8, and I marked that with a little square with the red pen. From there, you then want to pull out your blue pen and drive to the day that you were born. So my birthday is August 19th, so I have my blue mark right across from there. And then for the third part of this, level 3, using the green pen, drive to the mark on the grid map here, drive and mark the spot on the grid map with the last 2 digits of the year you were born. So for me, it was August 19th, 1988. So I have my green mark up here on the number 88. And then lastly, for level 4, it's a free choice opportunity. So it's a chance for you to show off some of what you've learned. And if you could come up with a more interesting way to use this map, this number grid map, we'd love to see that. Down here in the helpful hints section, just talking about using the pen, make sure you put the pen down when you want it to draw. And when you're done drawing, you do have to deliberately pick the pen up before moving on to the next location. If I switch tabs here, I can show you my VEXCode VR. These were some of the different things that I had played around with for all the different levels. Again, you can see here I have all my comment blocks in here to keep things organized. I did make a my block for the little move that I make when marking something on the map. So instead of repeating that process over and over in my code, I just called it, mark square red, and I have the red pen in there. And then I duplicated that 2 more times and just changed up the color of the pen. So anytime I wanted to mark something in red, green, or blue, I could simply just drop this one block into my sequence of codes, and it would go ahead and reference that over on the side and complete that for me. So allow me to real quickly here, I'll just run through, and when I have my when started block attached to my level 1 code, I will select playground, make sure we are on the number grid map for this. And there it goes, marking my age when I created this, which is 32. From there, switch on over to level 2. Let me start this. And what I'd like you guys to do is go and mark your age as of today, and then also then go and drive off to your age in the year 2035. And I should have dropped the pen there. I don't have the pen in my example, but you can see my robot is clearly making an identification on that number. And then for level 3, if I play that, robot goes off and over to the number 8 for August, and the number 19th for the day that I was born, and then up to 88 for the last 2 digits of the year that I was born. All right, and then for an additional level 3, we put this one together last year. We did the birth date of the VR robot, which was April 2nd, 2020. So just for argument's sake, we can see that one run out. This is where I'm actually using my blocks for marking things with different colors. So again, 4, 2, and then over to the year 20 for 2020. All right, looking forward to what you guys can do with this, and please share your level 4 with the other people at your table, and hopefully you come up with something interesting. This has been a tutorial for Activity 3, Find Your Age in VEXCode VR.